My wonderful audience, I'll be showing you guys how I made this shot from beginning to the end. Before we move to the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button under this video and also hit the notification bell for more tutorial coming your way. Okay, now look at this one. I've been using it for the zipper, this one for the pockets, and this one is the waistband. I've already gum it with a gum stay inside. I will show you at the end of this video. Now the waistband is 2 inches. Now this is the back of the shorts. This one is the front part. I gum this one 2 inches. The length is 7 inches. Now this is for the pocketing, 13 for the length and 14 for the width. Now first thing we are going to do now, I've already weaved the material. We are going to fix the pocket. Now you place this on top of this pocketing and stitch it up. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, now remember we are fixing the pockets first. Okay, now after you have stitched that side, you are going to place it like this. To place it like this. And turn it and stitch up this place like 1/4 inch. After that, you still stitch this side. Now look at how I've already stitched it. Now make sure that this place will be 2 inches. Now let's turn the pockets and you stitch here and make sure you make a curve like this and you cut out the excess. Then turn it up and stop stitch it. Now after you must have done that, make sure this place is 2 inches because we fold 2 inches inside. Now you stitch here so that the pocket will be firm. Then you hold this place, you stitch it up so that it will be well relaxed. Okay, now we have done with the pocket. Now the zipper, for an adult you use 7 inches, but for a child you use 5 inches. Now that place you mark 7 inches, you are going to stitch from here downwards like I said I'm doing. I will advise you to stitch here 2 times so that it will be firm. Now after that, we are going to fix the zipper. First of all, you are going to stitch up the zipper with one of the flap. Now after that, you fix this one at the left. It will be facing the left, like you know how zipper used to be. Okay, then you fold like this. This is the easier way to fix a zipper. Then you stitch it up. Now you are going to close it like this. Then you hold it. You are going to hope you see what I did. Then you stitch it up with the flap and close it up. Now you are going to stitch like that line that is in front of the zipper. You stitch it up like 1.5. Make sure you don't join it with the down side. Now hope you see what I did. Don't forget to drop a comment at the end of this video on your take. Now the zipper is done. Now we are going to join the back to the front before we fix our waistband. Now after done that, you fold it like this. Then take out your waist measurement. My waist measurement is 36 divided by 2 is 18. Then you stitch it. Stitch it up. I give enough allowance at the back in case if there is any adjustment. Hope you see. Okay, now the belt stripe is 4.5 inches long. I just cut out 6 of it. I made 6 of it. Now you're going to measure 3 inches from the beginning. Now after you stitch all the belt stripes, 6 of it. Now I just fix 6. Okay, now I will show you how to fix the waistband. I told you that the waistband was 2 inches wide. Now first thing, you're going to stitch it. I hope you see it is a bit longer, so that when you have to stitch the mouth. Now you're going to stop somewhere at that back line. You're going to align it. I hope you see what I just showed you. Now you're going to stitch the other side. Remember, I cut the waistband into two so that I can be able to fix the right side and also fix the left side. Hope you see what I did. You're going to stop at that line at the back. Now after that, you're going to hold it like this. This is the back part, and stitch it up. Now we are going to close it. First of all, we will be stitching this place. The part that is going that will be on top will be longer. Hope you see that. Then the other side, the right hand side, will be equal with the edge of the trouser short. Sorry. Now you turn it up. Okay, hope you see that. Now we are going to top stitch the band so that it will be the last. Now, having done that, we are going to fix the belt stripe like this. We're going to complete the belt stripe. We are almost done. Hope you like this video. If you derive value from this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post another tutorial video. Hope I will fix the belt stripe. Now we are going to close the inner part. As 19 inches divided by 2. What I did, I put there is 9.5. And we are closing the inner part of this short pant. Okay, now we are going to fold the leg 2 inches because I add 2 inches allowance at the cutting. Then you fold it. Hope you see it. Now we are done with the sewing of this short. Don't forget to drop a comment. Look at how neat it is. Make sure you iron it very well. Don't forget to drop a comment. Thank you. See you on our next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you.